Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft on your phone with a controller. First, make sure both your phone and controller have sufficient battery life for uninterrupted gameplay. Next, download and install the Minecraft app from your phone's official app store. It's also important to confirm that your specific controller model is compatible with your phone's operating system, whether it's iOS or Android, to avoid any connection issues. Now, let's connect your controller. Begin by opening your phone's settings and turning on Bluetooth. Then, put your gaming controller into its pairing mode. This usually involves holding down a specific button combination for a few seconds. Once your controller appears in the list of available Bluetooth devices on your phone, simply tap on its name to establish the connection. You should see a confirmation message once paired. With your controller connected, it's time to fine-tune your in-game experience. Open Minecraft and head to the Settings menu, usually found on the main screen. Look for the Controller or Touch section to customize your controls. Here, you can adjust sensitivity, remap buttons to your preference, and even invert camera controls. Take some time to experiment with these settings to find what feels most comfortable for your playstyle. To truly enhance your mobile Minecraft experience, consider investing in a phone mount that attaches your device directly to your controller. This provides a more ergonomic and immersive setup. Also, regularly check for updates to both your Minecraft app and your controller's firmware to ensure optimal performance and compatibility. These updates often include bug fixes and new features. For more great tips and deals, including a fantastic book on personal finance, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.